everyone. Myself Mrs. Rosalie Nirmala, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. I am trying to share this video, micro teaching cycle. So in this video, we are going to see about the micro teaching cycle. As we all know that what is micro teaching? Micro teaching is a scaled down teaching encounter. Micro teaching is a scaled down teaching encounter. So in micro teaching alone, we are getting the immediate feedback also, because each skill in micro teaching we are having certain components. So whether we are doing that component properly when we are practicing each skill. So now we are going to see about the micro teaching skill. Micro teaching cycle. So the first step in micro teaching is plan. So the first step in micro teaching is plan. So you are planning the skill, that is you are planning the concept. Then you are teach. So the next step in micro teaching cycle is teaching. Then immediately you are getting the feedback from your peer group. So first step is planning, next one is teaching, third one is feedback. So after getting the feedback, you are replanning. So replan. Then you are getting reteach. Then third step is re-feedback. So here the first step of the micro teaching is planning, teaching, feedback, then replanning, reteaching and re-feedback. In each step takes 6 minutes. In micro teaching cycle, each step of the cycle is taking the 6 minutes. So totally you are getting the 36 minutes. So in order to complete one cycle in micro teaching, it takes 36 minutes. So in micro teaching cycle, you are getting the feedback based on the components. For example, if you are practicing the skill of introducing the topic, you have a certain components: greeted, accepted greeting, then rapport establishment, whether you are using the proper appropriated devices, and also whether you are using the fluency in communication also. Then finally you are arriving. So whether you are applying all the components when you are practicing the skill of introducing the topic. So in micro teaching cycle it takes 6 steps, and also each step carries 6 minutes. So if you are getting the feedback from the peer group as well as the teacher educator, you are rectifying the positive negative one, and you are, in order to get the positive way, whether you are rectifying the feedback also. So the micro teaching cycle helpful to teach you and also helpful to practice. The same way also the steps in the phases of micro teaching also, the skill of acquisition and practicing and transferring. So first the teacher is demonstrating the skill. How to practice the skill within a time limit. Then after the teacher is demonstrated by the skill, the students will be doing that particular one. Then immediately you are getting the feedback also. So here in micro teaching, 3 phases as well as the cycle and steps, everything will be, because you are taking only, you are practicing the each skill only 5 to 7 minutes only. Okay, so that's 5 to 7 minutes. carries the concept also the meaningful one. Carries the concept also meaningful. So within a 7 minutes, you have to deliver the concept with a good meaningful one also. So the micro teaching is, once again I'll repeat, micro teaching is a scaled down teaching encounter. That is the small size of the classroom. It will be practicing in a particular time period. So the first step of the micro teaching is planning. Next one is teaching. Third one is feedback. Then again, we are doing the replanning, reteaching and re-feedback. In planning is nothing but us, we are writing the lesson plan in macro teaching. Here also in micro teaching, you have to write a lesson plan also. So when you are choosing the concept, you select a particular concept according to the time limit, you prepare a lesson plan. So micro teaching cycle contains 36 minutes.